ask anyone in the library. But I can tell you the first thing to do. You need to go to the OPEC system first to find your book.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, bye.
Oh, I think this is the OPEC system that we got just now. Yes, would that idea help? Yes, help me because I want to borrow a book from here. Oh, what book you want to borrow? I want to borrow Hubungan Ethnic book. Okay, you know this OPEC system. Okay, the first you must type Hubungan Ethnic. Oh, sorry. Yes, right? Yes, right. Okay. You click search and you find. Okay, this is available at Hubungan Ethnic. Okay, this right. Yeah. Okay, this is all available. You find the accession number and the spin label. The spin label is this DS595H822006. This is spin label at the rack. So after this you must find at the rack. Okay, thank you. Okay. DS. Hi. Can you please help me to find DS959 dark book?
Yeah, sure. Come. Okay, first, you need to find here DS. Okay, so here is DS, and then you need to find your book here DS595. Okay, so this is the book that you want. Okay, then you need to go to self-service machine to borrow this book. Okay.
I think this is the machine that used to borrow the book, but I don't know how to use it. Right? Can't you please help me to use this machine? Of course. So, I want to borrow the book, but I don't know how to use this machine. Okay, let's teach you how to use this machine.
So first, you need to scan your smart card. Okay, add the smart card. Sorry.
Then insert the library password, which is 1, and choose the language that you want.
Okay, I want to choose English.
So you need to scan your book at the scanner.
Oh, like this.
Yep. So the status is successful.
Okay, then
So you can exit.
Oh, okay.
It's very easy, right?
Yes. Thank you for having me. Yeah.
So that's all from us. Thank you.